Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on account down here. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, so you keep going down here. So then you can here to program benefits here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on member level benefits here. So then here can you select if you want to add member or silver elite or gold elite here, or platinum elite or theanthum elite here. Can you select it in this list? So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.